Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the limit on a Venmo debit card. I know, this is a pretty boring topic, but it's one that I get asked about a lot. So, I figured I'd do a video on it to help everyone out. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I'm not a financial advisor. So, if you have any questions about your specific situation, you should always talk to a qualified professional. What is a Venmo debit card? A Venmo debit card is a prepaid debit card that is linked to your Venmo account. You can use it to make purchases in stores or online. What is the limit on a Venmo debit card? The limit on a Venmo debit card is $1,000 per day. This means that you can't spend more than $1,000 in a single day. However, there are a few things to keep in mind about this limit. The limit is for all transactions, including purchases, cash withdrawals, and transfers. The limit is daily, so you can spend up to $1,000 each day. The limit is cumulative, so if you spend $500 on one day, you can only spend $500 on the next day. How can I increase my Venmo debit card limit? There are a few ways to increase your Venmo debit card limit. Verify your identity. Once you verify your identity, your daily limit will increase to $2,500. Link your bank account. Linking your bank account will allow you to make larger transactions. Upgrade to a Venmo credit card. A Venmo credit card has a higher spending limit than a Venmo debit card. What are the benefits of using a Venmo debit card? There are a few benefits to using a Venmo debit card. It's a convenient way to pay for things. It's easy to track your spending. You can get cash back at participating retailers. What are the drawbacks of using a Venmo debit card? There are also a few drawbacks to using a Venmo debit card. It has a low spending limit. It can be difficult to get approved for a Venmo debit card. There are fees associated with using a Venmo debit card. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I'll see you next time.